Okay children, now let's go to next passage. The camp involved a session every morning and evening at Shivaji Park. Where is located this Shivaji Park? In Mumbai. The camp involved a session every morning and evening at Shivaji Park. A day 2 times he had to take practice. I would practice between 7:30 am and 10:30 am in the morning. In the morning, he had practiced between 7:30 am to 10:30 am. Then I had come back in the afternoon and practiced till late evening. He had come back in the afternoon and have to take practice till late evening. The schedule was rigorous. Schedule means timetable. Rigorous means what? Rigorous means extremely thorough and careful. Rigorous means extremely thorough and careful. The schedule was rigorous and I would be exhausted by the end of the day. As his timetable was rigorous, he would exhausted at the end of the day. At the end of the day, he got tiredness. Exhausted means tired. Traveling to Shivaji Park took 40 minutes from my house in Bandra. Traveling time from his house to Shivaji Park, he had to travel 40 minutes. And I had to catch an early morning bus to make it on time. On time means correct time. He had to catch an early morning bus to make it on time. He has to catch an early morning bus to make it correct time. For the first few days, Ajit accompanied me to get me used to the routine. Accompanied means what? Went with. Accompanied means went with. Accompanied means went with. For the first few days, Ajit accompanied me to get me used to the routine. In the beginning days, Ajit went with Sachin to the park regularly. In the beginning days, Ajit went with Sachin to the park regularly. During the bus journeys, he would talk to me about the nuances of batting. What is nuances? Nuances means tricks. Tricks. During the bus journeys, Ajit would talk with Sachin about the tricks of batting, and I always enjoyed these conversations a lot. Sachin enjoyed these conversations a lot. In fact, the one thing that I have kept with me all my career is a note that Ajit gave me containing some thoughts about batting. Ajit gave him a note which contained some thoughts. Ajit gave him a note which contains some thoughts about batting. Sachin kept this note with him throughout his career. Sachin kept the note with him throughout his career. It served as a very personal coaching manual. Manual means guide. This note served as a very personal coaching manual. He used the note as his personal coaching manual. Sachin used the note as his personal coaching manual. Okay. Recall this paragraph, children. In the camp, he practiced between 7:30 am to 10:30 am in Shivaji Park. As his schedule was very rigorous, he would tired by the end of the day. He travelled 40 minutes from his house to Shivaji Park. In the beginning days, Ajit went with Sachin to the park. Ajit gave him a note which contained some thoughts about batting. Sachin kept this note with him throughout his career. He used this note as his personal coach. Okay children, I think you understood this passage very well. Now I am going to give you some questions. You have to answer this. Okay children, this is your homework. Try to write these answers. We can meet you in the next class. Bye.